This brand is from Heat Controller Incorporated, which is a part of Mars, and the units are made in America but only sold through their dealer network in the USA. They have random swing louvers which give the effect of a gentle breeze and temperature compensation, which takes into account the difference in temperatures from floor to ceiling in a room. Their nano silver filter eliminates bacteria for improved indoor air quality. The brand is competitively priced, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The SVH-B models are basic single-zone heat pumps with an efficiency of up to 18.5 SEER that are available for 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems. The VMH UltraV series models are premium heat pump units with a follow-me temperature sensing remote and a low ambient kit for cooling operation down to 5F. They are designed to provide heating as well as cooling in areas where the outdoor temperature gets as low as 0F. They are available for single zone as well as up to 5 indoor units for a single outdoor unit, but the outdoor units are rather loud when compared to some of the other brands. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.